Many YouTubers use keyframing, and by using it, they take their video editing to a pro level, which gets them tons of views. So if you also want to take your video editing to the next level, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to teach you advanced level keyframing. To make it easy for you, I've divided keyframing into two parts, basic and advanced. In the basic part, you'll learn basic level keyframing, and in the advanced part, you'll learn advanced level keyframing. But let me tell you one thing first. Until you learn basic level keyframing properly, you won't be able to apply advanced level keyframing in your video editing. So, it's very important to first learn basic level keyframing. In this video, I'll be using CapCut. Before learning basic level keyframing, let me explain what keyframing actually is for those who don't know. I'll explain it with an example. This is the timeline of the video. The changes you make in the gap between the starting point and the ending point of the video, that is called keyframing. So now you must have understood what keyframing is. You've seen in many videos that the video zooms in and zooms out in a cinematic way. Let me show you by doing it in this video. Now where I want to start the zoom, I'll add a keyframe there. Now let me zoom in the timeline a bit so the effect becomes smoother. Now moving a little ahead from this keyframe, I'll zoom in the video. Now let's play it and see. Now, if I want to zoom out the same video, I'll go a little further and add one keyframe, and along with it, add another keyframe and zoom out. Now check the result. Music, so now we are going to learn text reveal effect. First, I'll add the text. Guys, I've added the text. Now let me play it once for you. After this, I'll bring my PNG. Where my text is revealing, I'll take this PNG there and add a keyframe. Now, where the text is ending, I'll take it there. Now you can see the result. You've seen in many videos that a character is shaking smoothly. Let me show you how it's done. I'll bring a background and a character. All the materials are ready. Now I just need to use keyframes. I want to shake this character, so I'll add one keyframe at the start. Then at the end, I'll move the character slightly down. After doing this, I'll go between this timeline, tap on the graph icon, and select Bounce 3. Now your shaking character animation is ready. You can see it. Music, if you want to color shift any video, it can be easily done with keyframes. Let's do it. I'll bring the video. Guys, I've brought the video. I'll add one keyframe at the beginning. After that, I'll add another keyframe at the end. Then, staying on that keyframe, I'll go to the Adjust options below and set the saturation to 0. And it's done. You can see it. Music, sometimes we want to make the volume high or low in a small part of the video. We can easily do that with keyframes. Let's do it. Here, I've brought a video and also added background music. I want the background music volume to decrease a little where I start speaking. I'll add a keyframe at the start of the background music. Now, just before my voice starts, I'll add one keyframe. Then, moving a little ahead where my voice actually starts, I'll add another keyframe and lower the volume of the background music a bit. Now let's play the video and see. 2024 AI has become very powerful. Many creators are taking advantage of AI. Now, apply the same keyframe exactly where my voice ends. Now you can see the result. Music 2024 AI has become very powerful. Many creators are taking advantage of AI. If you want to represent any element in a 3D effect, we can easily do it with keyframing. Let's do it. I've brought a background and an image. Now I just need to use keyframes. On the image I have, I'll add a keyframe at the start. Then at the end, I'll zoom the image a little. Let's play it once. It's good, but it doesn't look 3D. Wait. Now, tap on the background timeline, add a keyframe at the start, and at the end zoom it too. And it's done. You can see it. Music, you can track any person or element with the help of keyframing. Let's do it. I've brought a video. I need to track it. First, I'll add a keyframe at the start. Then when this appears, I'll zoom in the video. Then moving ahead, repeat the same process. Let me do it quickly and done. You can see it. Music, look at this. See how cool this effect looks. I also use this effect in my videos, and we can easily create this effect with keyframing. Let's make it. First, I'll bring a background and the element I want to reveal. Now I've brought all the elements. Now I just need to use keyframes. I'll take this element down, zoom it a little, and add a keyframe here. After doing this at the end of this timeline, I'll bring it up and set it to normal size. After all this, let me play it for you. It's moving very slowly. To fix this, I'll go between the keyframes, tap on the graph icon, and select Ease Out. Now it's done. Let me play it for you. All this is done, but it doesn't look 3D yet. To make it 3D, I'll tap on the background timeline, zoom it, and add a keyframe. Then at the end, bring it back to normal. In between, tap on the graph icon and select Ease Out 3, and it's done. You can see it. You saw how cool this effect looks. We can easily create this effect with keyframing. Let's make it. First, I'll bring 3 logos and a background. All materials are ready. Now I just need to use keyframing. First, I'll move the first logo to the left side, the middle one upwards, and the right side one to the right. Keep the first one's timeline as it is. Move the middle and right side logos timelines a little ahead of each other. Now add a keyframe on the first one. Then, moving a little ahead on this timeline before the middle one's timeline, bring this logo back to its original position. Now add this same keyframe on all of them. After all this, let's play it once. It's running a bit slow. To fix this, go between the keyframes, tap on the graph icon, and select Ease Out 3. Do the same process for all logos. And it's done. You can see it. Music first, look at this. See how cool this effect looks. You can easily create this with the help of keyframing. Let's make it. So first, I've brought a background and materials. Now I just need to use keyframes and effects. First, I'll zoom the robot a little, move it down, and add a keyframe. Then, moving a little ahead, I'll bring the robot slightly up and make it a little smaller. Now, between their timelines, tap on the graph icon and select Ease Out 3. Now it's become a little smoother. Now apply the same process on the background too for 3D effect. After all this, we have the 3D effect. To add blur effect, I'll go a little ahead on both timelines and add 1 keyframe each. On the back one's keyframe, I'll bring the second element and apply the previous process again. After all this, now I just need to make some changes in the background and robot's timeline. I'll go to the place where I had placed the YouTube's keyframe. After coming here, bring the background and robot back to normal and apply Ease Out 3 on them too. But blur effect hasn't appeared yet. Go to the effects option, select blur effect. Go to object and select the robot. On this effect, add a keyframe and set blur to 0. Then ahead where the YouTube 4 keyframe was, set it to 20 and it's done. You can see it, music.